Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful freehand and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this yellow by China Glaze called Celtic Sun, this blue by Pure Ice called Pocket Dial, this hot pink by LA Colors called Absolute, and this orange by OPI called Where Did Susan's Man Go? I hope I said the right, mango. And this is a really easy design. I'm just putting little swipes of colors on my nails. It's not a dry brush design. It's just I call it a color swipe because it's really colorful. And you can add the colors wherever you want to. Just make sure you fill up your whole nails with the colors. You can do 2 colors, or you can go crazy and add a bunch of different colors. But this is a really simple, quick nail design. Once I was done, I wanted to do a nail stamp design, so I'm using this Pueen Love Element nail plate, and I'm going to apply black polish. Now, you can do a freehand design if you want to, but I just thought that with that color, design, I just want to add a nail stamp design on top of it. And I really did like the look of it. Kind of came through the black. I wish it was more more colors on it, but I like the finished look of it. And as you can see, I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. Just a really easy and simple nail design to do. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.